Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to take an LCD screen out of a Sony Ericsson w580i. Okay, first you're going to start off by having your phone, of course, and a guitar pick. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you see this, I'm sure you can look on your phone and see it. Now it's a slider, but that right there, what you need to do is get your guitar pick in there and just slide it until one side pops off, and then do the top, and then you have to do the other side. Oh, forgot to take my battery out. You have to shock yourself, okay? If you see there's little clips, so yeah. And then you could probably just get your fingernail and run it in there. Okay.